Assalamu alaikum. Guys, today we are going to learn attributes or properties of components. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Let's start. First of all, we would log in Oracle Apex login screen. Then we would create a screen. Then we will create page or screen for our practice session. So now we are going to a builder. In the last lecture, we created application human resource. So I'm clicking human resource. I'm creating a page in this application human resource management. You can create page from here. We can create page from this button. So I'm pressing create page button. Guys, this is a component provided by Oracle Apex. This is a blank page. If you want to create a blank page, to click on blank page. If you want to create report, you would press on report, forms, master detail, plugin chart. We will discuss all about these features in our future lecture. So I'm creating in this lecture, I'm creating a page in this lecture. So I'm pressing form. Every feature have a sub features. You can see form have a sub feature form, editable interactive grid, report with form, list value with forms, form or local procedure. I am creating a report with form, pressing next. Report page number and form page number. Report page number, form page number, Apex auto created. You can change page number. I'm assigning page name test, report page name, form page name. Guys, first page report page name showing data on screen, and second form page name is used for used for form for creating data screen page on which user would be create or added lead record. So I'm pressing next. In this option, Apex asking from user that you wanna associate this page with the menu or not. I'm associate this page with the menu. Menu, we can sign up name, any name. I'm signing name like component. Press next. In this in this screen, you can see data source. You can select source from local database, REST enabled database, or web source. Okay, in this lecture we practice on a local database, source type table or SQL query. You can create SQL query here, or you can query builder, use query builder. You can select any table. I'm selecting table source. I'm selecting table name from here. I'm selecting like item. In the bottom you can see here all all item belong to item tables, or you can say all fields or columns belong to item table. Associate or draw in this menu, in this screen. I'm just text. You can assign left side whose field you want to show, who you don't want to show in your screen. I wanna screen all. I wanna show all record or all in my screen. I'm pressing next. You can select primary key. From here, I'm selecting manage by database, row ID, create. Guys, our page created. I'm press here, save and run. You can see a page number 4. You can see page number 4. This is a data view page. You can see a report. We can create record from here. We can edit record from here. I'm editing this record. You can see this is a data screen page. Now we would discuss about component or property of these fields. I'm selecting. You can see this is a page number 5. This is because this is a data entry screen page. I'm pressing edit page, apex, move to page designer. At the left side you can see a component view. At this side you can see a layout component view. And the most right side you can see a property palette. I'm pressing this is you can see a this 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 type of field hidden. You can see a number. You can see a layout. I'm just redesign this layout. I'm press this name. I'm just start new row. You can see start new row, start new row, start new row, start new row. Press save. Run the page. You can see much better view. Now we can change attribute of attribute, or you can say property of this component, any component. Now I'm changing this uh, type. You can sign 3 column in a single line. I'm says well, I'm star Nero. You can see a 3 or 4 which you can see a 4 column in a field. You can also assign width of a field from here. Column spam. You can select. You can select. We are selecting these fields. I'm selecting 2. You can see here size of width, cell text, and you can also assign a width. You can change from star Nero. I'm changing attribute of name field. You can see here name field attribute. I'm just user can this is you can see auto scroll bar added. I'm changing this field property. Now this is working on text Terra. Now I'm changing this field from Textera to can say text field. You can see I'm saving, reload. Sorry, text text field. You can see now you can see user can't create more character. Now we are changing this type from Textera to file browser. You can see here. We can list manager, share component. You can see here the you can see here the attribute of text of name field like this, showing this. You can add, remove from here, then save. I'm changing from this list manager to list manager. I'm changing from mark down editor, save. You can see you can see it, add, bold, italic, unordered list. You can anything you can attach. If you wanna pop up LOV, when we select pop up LOV, then we should assign a source. You can select source from here. Share component, SQL query, PLSQL function, static value. In this tutorial lecture, we would use static value, SQL query, and share component. This feature we will use in next videos. I'm selecting static value, assign value. You can select any name, uh, return any type, return. You can up down. You can say up down value. Okay, save. You can see here pop up feature pop up value. You can select this was also pop up value. Now we will change from pop up to rich editor. You can see here up, top and bottom is a bold. Have you change from select list, or we can select list. You can static value, display one, display two. Okay, you can see here select list one, two, three. Okay, okay. Now we would select shuttle. You can see any value from right to left, left to right. You can. This was a shuttle properties. If we switch, you, you can check it on or switch, but you can use in your application. Now I'm using attribute or text number field. Now I will checkbox. We can set checkbox. Rename static. You can select a checkboard. Next. Now we would select radio button. Radio group. Static value. Save. Display 1, display 2. Guys, this is a null value. If you want to don't to display null value, you can select option from here. Display extra value. Yes, no. Display null value. Yes, no. No. Save. Display null value. You can see this empty null value not showing in after reload page. You can see here. Guys, now we're working on text field, number field. If you want to date picker, so if you want to date picker, save. Auto calendar attach. You can select any date. If you want to set to display only, you can say display item. Display. This item would be behave as a display item. You can see text. You can say user can't create any record. A person not know this is a sale text is a display item. Now I'm showing it like a password. This field component like password. I'm typing anything. This is showing like a password. Star rating. You can select any star rating attribute. You can select default value from here. I'm setting default value purchase rate. Default value purchase rate. Skill static. I'm sending 100. Saving. apex, assign default value to purchase is 100. You can say um100 purchase rate. Whereas when we create a regard, then this effect will be showing. As you can see, a purchase rate 100. Whereas now we're working on a, and any other, like now we're working on practice of these field status label. You can select label from here. Status you can bold from here. Your label will be bold, as you can see here. Status, as you can see here. But now we are working on appearance of layout. You can select sequence, region, start new column. Now we're working with layout appearance. Sequence, region, start new column. Guys, we practice layout of field. Appearance, you can see, first of all, you can see refresh. You can see field. No, I would change appearance. You can hide from here. Optional, optional above. You can see effect. You can see here text field showing down from label. If you select on optional, you can see here. If we select required, you can see here that static would be attached on label. If we select required above, you can see here label will be display at the field, at the top of the field. If we select required floating, you can see this is the corner showing red. This it's mean this is a required field. So guys, this is the basic component attribute of any item. You can create custom. Yeah, you can see create atom from here. Create page atom. You can create atom. You can set property from right side. You can assign label, name, type, property name, you can create button from here. This is the component view, page search. So guys, this was the basic lecture on a component of a component at attribute properties. So please stay with me. Thank you for watching.